Imagine drowning in a sea of contracts, written in legalese thicker than a tax code. Sound familiar? For AI engineers and ML practitioners, turning dense legal documents into actionable insights feels like decoding hieroglyphics while racing against deadlines. This skill flips the script. Master custom NLP pipelines using spacey and hugging face transformers to parse clauses. Integrate LexisNexis and Westlaw APIs for context-aware validation. Build React D3.js dashboards for risk visualization. And deploy models optimized with TensorRT for sub-second latency. Whether you're a compliance officer praying for fewer red lines or a legal tech dev dreaming of automated NDAs, we've got your escape plan from document hell. Here's what's inside the Building AI Contract Analyzer skill: a battle tested legal NER module for identifying obligations and liabilities, pre built connectors for RESTful legal databases, interactive risk scoring dashboards with anomaly detection, latency optimized model containers using Onyx runtime, and validation frameworks with test suites from real Fortune 500 contracts. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just another tool, it's your AI's legal degree in a code base. Installing the Building AI Contract Analyzer skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Building AI Contract Analyzer. That's it. Your download includes the complete skill with expert level guidance on legal data preprocessing, model fine tuning workflows, and deployment manifests for Kubernetes clusters. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Suddenly, your AI assistant speaks fluent contract law, spots indemnification clauses like a senior attorney, and optimizes inference pipelines while you grab coffee. Who knew compliance could be this fast?